Hello friends, welcome to my channel Lead Entrance. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. This interface of the course is self-explanatory and user-friendly. In this video I will share physics question and solutions which help you grow your knowledge to the Lead Entrance exam. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's start with the question in this video tutorial. Read the question carefully. Question 1. Differentiation of y with respect to x. First equation is y is equal to sin x divided by x. Second equation y is equal to 4x cubed divided by a power x. Solution. Here equation 1 f into x is equal to sin x. G into x is equal to x, so f into x is equal to cos x. G into x is equal to 1. Therefore dy divided by dx is equal to cos x into x minus sin x into 1 whole divided by x square is equals to x cos x minus sin x whole divided by x square. Equation 2, here f into x is equal to 4x cubed. G into x is equal to a power x, so f into x is equal to 12x square. G into x is equal to a power x. Therefore dy divided dx is equal to 12x square into a power x minus 4x cube into a power x whole divided by a power x whole square is equal to 12x square minus 4x cube whole divided by a power x. Question 2. Find first derivative of y with respect to x. First equation y is equal to a power x. Second equation y is equal to 4 sin 3x. Third equation y is equal to 4a to the power x square minus 2x. Solution. First y is equal to a to the power of z is equal to a to power z, where z is equal to minus x. So dy divided dx is equal to dy divided by dz into dz divided dx is equal to a to the power z into minus 1 is equal to minus a power z is equal to minus a power minus x. Second equation y is equal to 4 sin 3x is equal to 4 sin z, where z is equal to 3x. So dy divided by dx is equal to so dy divided by dz into dz divided by dx is equal to 4 into cos z into 3 is equal to 12 cos 3x. Third equation is y is equal to 4ax to the power x square minus 2x is equal to 4a power z, where z is equal to x square minus 2x, so dy divided by dx is equal to into dz divided by dx is equal to 4 into cos z into 2x minus 2 is equal to 8x minus 8a power x square minus 2x. Question 3. The position of a particle moving along x-axis varies with time t as x is equal to 4t minus t square plus 1. Find the time interval s during which the particle is moving along positive x direction. Solution. If the particle moves along positive x direction, its x-coordinate must increase with time t. X-coordinate will increase with the time t. If dx divided by dt greater than 0, dx divided by dt is equals to 4 minus 2t. Dx divided by dt greater than 0 is equal greater than 4 minus 2. T greater than 0 equal or greater than t less than 2. Hence, the particle moves in positive x direction during the interval 0 less than t less than 2. Question 4. The minimum value of y is equal to 5x square minus 2x plus 1 is a. 1 divided by 5, b. 2 divided 5, c. 4 divided by 5, d. 3 divided by 5. Solution. For maximum minimum value dy divided by dx is equal to 0. Then 5 into 2x minus 2 into 1 plus 0 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 1 divided by 5. Now x is equal to 1 divided by 5. D square y divided by dx square is equal to 10. Which is positive, so minimum at x is equal to 1 divided by 5. Therefore y min is equal to 5 into 1 by 5 whole square minus 2 1 divided by 5 plus 1 is equal to 4 by 5. Final answer is C. Question 5. The radius of circular plate increases at the rate of 0.1 cm per second. At what rate does the area increases? When the radius of plate is 5 divided by pi centimeter? A. 1 centimeter square per second. B. 0.1 centimeter square per second. C. 0.5 centimeter square per second. D. 2 centimeter square per second. Solution. Area of disk A is equals to pi r square, where r is equals to radius of disk. dA divided by dt is equals to pi into 2r into dr divided by dt is equal to 2 pi r into dr by dt. So dA by dt is equals to 2 pi into 5 by pi into 0.1 is equals to 1 centimeter square per second. Final answer is A. At last, once again guys, if you really like my channel, Lead Entrance, top questions and answers in this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay with me. Thank you. Have a nice day.